You can make money online legitimately without investing any money. You don't even need to have a product of your own or any service that you offer on the internet, and I will show you exactly one of the easiest way to do that right in this training. By the way, let me mention that I am not selling anything to you right in this training, and I'm not going to encourage you to register on any website, but I will explain everything to you in a way that you will have a very good understanding of how you can make money on the internet without investing any money. So right, I will show you what I have in the training. Welcome to affiliate marketing. By the way, don't close this video just yet. I know you might have heard about affiliate marketing, but I want to explain something to you in a way that you will have a very good understanding of affiliate marketing, and then you will be able to implement the strategy and you'll be able to make money on the internet with affiliate marketing. So right, I want to explain to you what exactly is affiliate marketing and how does affiliate marketing work. I have the sketch right on my screen, so I will use this sketch to explain everything to you, and at the end of everything you will understand how affiliate marketing actually works. So right on my screen I have a business right on the left hand side. That is left hand on my side, but probably you've seen it on your right hand side. So that business you are seeing right here have some products that they are selling, and that is the product right here. So this business want to sell their product, and they are looking for different strategies and techniques that they can use to sell the product. Now this business heard about a particular website, or they go ahead and build a website for themselves. So when they build a website, they push this particular product that they are selling, they publish it on the website. Now let's say this particular website we are talking about, let's say the website is a website whereby you can register and sell something on the website. So we are going to call this website affiliate website. Now this affiliate website allow this business to register on the site and upload their product, and also it allows marketers to register on the website so that the marketers can start promoting the product on the website. But there's one important thing I want you to understand. Right here we have the marketer, and this marketer has a blog, has email list, or even social media followers. Now the marketers has a blog, email list, and social media followers, but this marketer doesn't have any product or service to sell on the blog or to the email list or to the social media followers. And a lot of people are coming to the marketer's blog every single day. People come to the blog to read information, to read news on the blog, and they end up leaving the blog without buying anything. Now the marketer realized that I have audience coming to my blog, email list, and social media followers, and I'm not selling anything to them. Then the marketer joined the affiliate website, and when the marketer joined the affiliate website, he realized that the website have different products that they are selling, and then the marketer developed interest in selling those products on his blog, and he also want to promote the product to his email list and social media followers. Now after registering on the website, the affiliate marketer then copy the link to the product, this particular product. Remember, this business has this product, and this business publish the product on the affiliate website. Now this marketer register on the affiliate website, and then he copy the affiliate link for this particular product. And then what exactly is the affiliate link? When you register on affiliate website, each of the product on the website, you will be given a unique link that you can use to promote that particular product, and that link is what the website will use to identify whenever people come from your link to the website. So this is a way that the website will be able to track if people are actually buying any product on the website through your link, and that is why we call it affiliate link. The link is unique to every affiliate on the website. So you, as the marketer that you register on the website, you get this link, and that link is only for you. And because this link is only for you, and you already have a blog, you have email list and social media followers, you therefore go ahead and post this link on your blog, to your email list, and to your social media followers. But not that you just send the link directly to them. You send the link, or you insert the link in your blog post or in your promotional email. And when your audience, these are your audience right here, when they come back to your blog and they see your post, they read your post, and they see this link right in the post, and they become interested in that particular product, they click on the link, and the link takes them back to the website. Now, when the link takes them back to the website identifies that these people are actually coming from your affiliate link. And now that they come to the website, some of them may eventually buy this product. So let's say the audience that come from your website, after clicking on your affiliate link, they arrive on the affiliate website and they purchase the product from this business. Now that they purchase the product, you will be earning commission each time people buy product on the affiliate website through your affiliate link. And the commission will be determined by the business or the affiliate website. So in some situations, the commission could be as low as 10%, or even 15, 20, 30, or even as high as 80%. So the commission you are earning will be deposited in your account in the affiliate website. So in most cases, before you can get paid as an affiliate marketer, you need to earn certain amount of commission on the affiliate website. So let's say you continue to sell this product. Your audience continue to click on your affiliate link and they continue to buy this product, and you are earning maybe 25% commission each time they buy the product. Maybe this affiliate website now say that before they can send your money to your bank account, maybe you need to have at least $100. Now, from each of the sales you are getting, they will be depositing your commission in your affiliate account, and immediately you earn up to $100 in the affiliate website. You can now request for your payment, and then this affiliate website will send the payment straight to your bank account. And that is how you can make money on the internet through affiliate marketing. All of this process, you don't need to have a product of your own, or you don't even need to offer any service before you can make money on the internet. And you can do this as a newbie on the internet. All what you need to have is the right knowledge on how you can promote affiliate product, and that is what you should continue to research about, so that you can join the right platform where you can start promoting product that you'll be able to make money on the internet. But that is not all. I want to mention something very, very important in the next slide. Let's look at what I have here. There are two ways you can earn money as an affiliate marketer. Now, the first one is you can earn money when you refer other people to join the affiliate platform. And the second method is when you actually make sale on the website. Like here, we are using this product as an example, and we are saying that when the audience that visit your blog click on your affiliate link and they visit the affiliate website to make purchase, you earn commission each time they make purchase. And in this case, you are making money from the sales of the product on the affiliate website. But if you make money whenever you ask other people to register on the affiliate website, then you are making money through the referral registration process. And this is actually one of the ways people make money with affiliate marketing, and they do so using some tricky way to entice people to register on those websites. And this is actually one of the worst way to make money as an affiliate marketer. Now I want to tell you, there are some bad practices in affiliate marketing, and this is exactly why many people think affiliate marketing is scam. Affiliate marketing is not scam, but because of the way many people implement affiliate marketing strategies, it makes it look like scam, because so many beginners, after joining affiliate marketing, they end up wasting their time without making any money from those platforms. And these are the major bad practices that I want to tell you about before you join affiliate marketing. So many marketers trick people to join affiliate platform with unrealistic make money online promises just for the purpose of getting registration commission. For example, some people will tell you that how to make 500,000, 1 million and so on in 30 days by joining this platform, but they will not tell you the major tactics behind everything. So basically what they are interested in is for you to register on the website, and once you register through their affiliate link, they will start earning commission for the registration of new users. And that is not the best way to do affiliate marketing, except the platform is basically for referring people to join without promoting any specific product. And I doubt if there's any good affiliate platform that operates that way. So that is one of the bad practices in affiliate marketing. The second one is spamming social media comments, page, group, and timeline with affiliate links without contributing any value. You see many beginners, when they join affiliate platform, maybe after following the first fake promises, and then they go ahead to register on affiliate platform, and immediately they register, they copy their affiliate link. They don't know the best practice, what they can do, how to add value to their audience so that they can start promoting the link effectively. Instead, when they see your advertisement on social media or even on YouTube, they start dropping their affiliate link in the comment, on your timeline, on group, and so on. And at the end of the day, they get banned, their account get disabled sometimes, and they end up getting frustrated because they will not be able to make money if they continue with this bad practice. And the last one I have right here is desperately promoting unverified low quality product and services to your loyal audience without considering the impact. If you are a blogger and you have already built a very huge audience base and you want to promote affiliate product, it is very important for you to verify the product, to conduct your research to know if the product will be able to deliver on its promises. If the product will not be able to deliver on its promises, it is better for you not to promote it instead of promoting it to tarnish your reputation. So make sure you verify the qualities of the product you are trying to promote as an affiliate marketer. But unfortunately, many people don't do this, and they end up promoting products that will not work as promised, and at the end of the day, the audience get disappointed and they start tagging you scam, spam, and so on and so forth. So these are the three main bad practices in affiliate marketing, and I encourage you, make sure you are not using any of these bad practices if you want to promote affiliate offers. Now, I am supposed to list some platform where you can join to register as affiliate marketer, and then you start promoting product to make money. But I'm not going to do that, so that I will not recommend a platform that might end up disappointing you in one way or the other. So I will encourage you, now that you understand how affiliate marketing works, go ahead and conduct more research, and then dedicate your time and effort to it, and build yourself in a way that you'll be able to make money through affiliate marketing. I hope you learned something in this training. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I will answer your question. Thanks again for staying with me, and bye for now.